Good morning, students. Now it is CMST, HS2ndyr Commerce. Now we have started, that is binomial distribution, binomial expansion. In this, we have an exercise 2.3. We have finished 2.4. We have finished up to question 5, 6 also we have done one sum. So second one, 6.2 we are going to do. So it is exercise 2.4, question number 6.2. That is, they have asked, find the coefficient of x to the power 15 in this expansion. Now, x to the power 15, its coefficient you have to calculate. How to do? R plus 1 term. That last day we have said, so according to that we are going to do, and of course r plus 1, that is general term we have to do, minus it is, so minus 1 to the power r, NCR, 10CR, a to the power n minus r, so 10 minus r, b to the power, here b is x square, is, so what we get, minus 1 to the power r, 10CR, here twice r, and this one if we add 10 minus r plus twice r, of course this will give r. Now this one, if we take this one as x to the power 15, so 10 plus r should be is equal to 15. It means r is our 5. So they say coefficient of it, therefore required coefficient what? X to the power 15's coefficient. So minus 1 to the power 5, 10C5 is our required answer. So it is the minus 10C5 is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So of course now we will do 5 to the 10. Then 4 to the 8, 3 to the 9. So what we get? 6 6 the 36 into 7. So 252 is our coefficient of x to the power 15 in this one. So students, this 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 all are similar type. Same, ditto only you have to change only the values of, and then we can get this one. Now today we will do question number 7 of this exercise. 7, little you have to apply your mind, and it is like that. They say find the middle term of x square plus 1 by x to the power 6. Middle terms. Now students, try to understand this one. X plus y whole thing square. How many terms? If power 2, 3 terms. If I write x plus y whole thing cube, then it will find 3x square y. So here power 3, so it is 4 terms. So what we can get, that power what it will be, number of terms will be 1 more than that. Here n is equal to 6. So number of terms, TERMS, number of terms is 7. So middle term will be, of course, middle of 7 is what? 3 3 in the two side, middle is 4. So of course 4th term. So that you have to understand that middle of 7 is 4. But if it is 8, then the two middle terms, 4th term and 5th term, this one. If number this one is odd, then this is the middle term. That I think better remembering that any other formula. If you do like that, little use your mind. 7, then the 4th term. If it is 8, then it is 4 and 5, 2 middle term. If it is 9, number of term is 9, of course fifth term will be the middle term. If it is 10, n is number of term is 10, then fifth and sixth are the middle term. So fourth term is the middle term, and it is 6C4 NCR, then n minus r, then it is this. So this is the term of middle term. 6C4 is 6C2, 6, 5 and 2 into 1. 6 minus 4 is 2, so it will be x to the power 4, 1 by x to the power 4. So it is another thing that no x term is there, so we get 15 is the answer of that middle term of this expansion. Now we will do the second sum of this. Here you see question, it is given as x minus twice y power 8. So if this is the power, here n is 8. So number of term 9, therefore middle term, of course it will be what? As 9 term, fifth term will be the middle term, fifth term. Then value of the fifth term is minus 1 to the power, fifth term means we have to put here 4, because fifth term 4 plus 1, then 8C4 x to the power 8 minus 4 twice y to the power 4. Minus 1 to the power 4, it is the positive. 8C4 is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. X to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 is the 16, y to the power 4. So then 4 2 are 8, 3 2 are 6. After multiplication of this, it is 1120 x to the power 4, y to the power 4. So this is the answer of question number 2. Now we are going to do question number 3. 3 is like that. I want to little bit this one. I think in first sum we have to do, that is we have done in first. I am to little recapture of this one. Here in first sum they said this is, so here n is 6 and we have taken number of terms is 7. So middle term is I have taken, that is fourth term. Yes, it is fourth term. So fourth term you will write what here? So it is this one. Then it is minus, so not minus, because plus 6C3 it will be, and x square 6 minus 3, 1 by x to the power 3. 6C3 is 6 into 5 into 4, and it is 3 into 2 into 1. X to the power, this is 3, 6, and it is x to the power 3. I think it is x to the power 3, 3 to the 6, so 20 x to the power 3. So earlier I have just r I have placed 4, not to 2. This is the thing that is little carefully you have to do. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is x by y minus y by x to the power 7. So it is little bit different. Here n is 7, so number of terms is 8. Now as number of term is even, so there will be 2 to middle term. Therefore middle terms are, yes, 4 and 4th term, 4th and 5th term. These are the middle term. So fourth term means minus 1 to the power 3, 4 then 3, 7c3 x by y to the power 7 minus 3 y by x to the power 3. And fifth term means minus 1 to the power 4, 7c4 x by y to the power 7 minus 4 y by x to the power 4. This will give minus sign. 7c3 is 7 into 6 into 5, 3 into 2 into 1. This will give 7 minus 3 is 4, and so it is x. So x to the power 4 by x will give x only. Here x, y to the power 4, here y cube, so this will give y. And here minus 1 to the power 4, so positive. 7c4 and 7c3 actually same. So 7 into 6 into 5. Why same? Because we know one formula that 7c NCR is equal to NC n minus r. Here it is 3. Here it is x to the power 3, x to the power 4. So it will cancel, denominator only x. Here y to the power 4, here y cube, so it will cancel and y. So our middle terms will be minus 35x by y and 35y by x. Two middle terms. So that you have to concentrate that this is this way. If number here n will gives the how many the middle terms are there. So student, that much for today. Give your evidence in your comment box.